This is Sweta Khan, and today we are going to talk about Train the Trainer program, Ekalavya. Trainers are the saviors of the society. They instill knowledge in the mind of people. By doing this, they steer the direction of the human civilization. And the perfection of being a trainer cannot be achieved in a day. Every successful trainer was an Ekalavya someday. So let's explore the Ekalavya. Today we have with us our lead mentor, Mr. S.K. Chakravarti. Welcome, sir. Sir, please let us know about how did you decide to come in the training fraternity from being a banker?
Well, a very good question, interesting question. I was a banker for many years. I worked in Punjab National Bank. At a certain point of time, you know that life in itself is a discovery process. At a certain point of time, we come to understand that there are certain things within our own selves which we do not know. My organization, which is very particular about the training of people, give an opportunity to become a trainer. So when I became a trainer, after doing it, continuing with the particular task for some time, I started realizing that training is something which is really I cherish, I enjoy. And by the time I started developing passion in me for being a trainer, and this was a discovery process, which I was not knowing earlier. So when I came to know about this passion within me, there was no looking back, and I continued to developing my field of activity in the training, and my organization helped me a lot in learning the different aspects of training so much that at some point of time I decided that I should get rid of, leave my organization and start my own training consultancy. And that was the time, a big decision I took, and I left the bank and started my own training consultancy. But yes, for everything behind it, I give credit to my organization, which really allowed me to discover myself.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Sir, please let us know, in your opinion and by your experience, what should be the core thing, the ingredients a trainer must have?
Well, the training, first thing, a trainer must have quest for learning, desire for learning, quest for learning. And in that process, he should start learning, and for learning, he has to unlearn himself. And sometimes trainers think that they know everything. It's never possible. Nobody knows everything. And if you do not have that quest for learning and learning new things, as you know that whatever we learn today is not static. Things are changing, the environment is changing, so you have to continuously explore new things and understand new things. And that's possible when you have quest for learning or passion for learning. And then if you have a passion for learning and you learn something, over a period of time you'll find that you are having a tendency to share this thing with people. Because sharing gives joy. And a good trainer will always have the quality of sharing with people. Because when you share more, you learn more.
The attitude of sharing.
Attitude of sharing.
The attitude of sharing, that gives us a little, we understand a little more, and the concept becomes clear. We become more confident.
Yes, you become more confident.
Right.
When you share with some people, you understand the different perspective of other people.
Right.
See how other people are thinking. So you learn many things out of that.
Correct.
And in that process, you correct yourself, you develop yourself, and you develop a passion for training. So a trainer must have a quest for learning. He must have passion for learning. He should be able to derive joy out of learning. And then, yes, another very important quality ingredient of a trainer should be that he should be able to get connected with the people, with the participants. If you're not connected with people, you cannot become a good trainer. Once you get connected, you understand people. What is their problem? What is the issue they are facing in their life? And for doing that, for creating that connection, a trainer should have an attitude towards being connected with people. That attitude is very important. And that attitude of being connected with it gets manifested within a trainer, he gradually becomes a part of the training community. Once you become part of their own life, part of the training, become connected with it. A trainer becomes able to engage themselves. So another quality of a trainer is should be able to engage with people. So in a nutshell, in all these things together, your quest for learning, your passion for learning, your sharing, your capacity to get connected with people and making people engage with you, these are some of the qualities a trainer has to imbibe, which comes over a period of time, provided you've got a passion. That is the biggest quality of a trainer. That he must have got a passion, he must get joy out of being a trainer.
Yes, yes.
That's
Sir, please let us know how do you design the training session?
okay. How do I plan the session?
Yes, right, sir.
That's very important thing for a trainer, that how to plan a session. And what I do, first I focus on the topics, which is going to be about which I'm going to deliver a talk. The second issue I always ask that who is the target group, whom I'm going
Audience,
to
okay.
audience. And the third is what is the level. And the fourth is what is the issue, why they are being trained, what is the problem, right? So when you understand these four things, the topics, the target, the level, the issue, I make a research. Research in the sense, even if there is no written material, I keep on thinking about it, keep my mind open and start thinking about it. Whatever we deliver in the real world, it's the creation of a mind. So if you have already got some knowledge about the subject, and you keep an open mind and start thinking, stimulate about it, the new ideas will come. So by doing that, I always try to find out that where they are right now, the person.
What is their level?
What is not on the level, where they are, what is the problem, what is the stage where we are. What is the stage
And what are the
because
challenges
of
they are
what are
facing?
the challenges they are facing,
Correct.
so that they require a training.
Right, yes.
So then I try to derive out of that where they are required to go.
Okay, yes.
So my contents are always prepared on the basis of that, from where they are, and then a logical sequence of the inputs which take them to that place where they are. Right? So in this way, I instill within them that sense of not only the knowledge, but I stimulate them to think. Giving a content only the information or knowledge is not sufficient. And that is not only the desirable thing. The most important thing is this, by instilling those knowledge, they are stimulated and they start thinking.
Right, yes.
They should start imagining. So in facts to imagination. Imagination is the whole world out of which they can practically understand something which they can really apply in the world, and that's what is innovation.
Right.
So it's facts to imagination to innovation. Right? That is the logical sequence through which it goes. And for doing that, I add certain examples, metaphors, stories, and experiences so that they can really understand and feel that issue. And apart from that, in my training session, I always take into account the fact that people have got different capacities, different ways of receiving the inputs.
Learning styles.
Learning styles. Learning styles. And in that, some people are visual, they may get more when the visual things are there. So I try to incorporate the visual elements in that training program. Some people are auditory, some people are kinesthetic, they only understand their feelings. So I create those stories or experiences, or sometimes we make some really the simulations, games, or role play, and all that, so that they can really feel it and experience it. So in my entire training session, right from where they are to where they have to go, a logical sequence with these inputs, I believe, so that really the training can be transferred, the knowledge of the training can be transferred to the people.
Right, right. Sir, being a business consultant and trainer, I have realized and I have seen that budding trainers, they are looking for train the trainer programs. So what is the most exciting part in this train the trainer program, Ekalavya?
Well, in this program, Ekalavya, The first thing which I'd like to express is that we are not merely giving training to the people, to the trainers.
Right.
Trainers have got, I hope they have got knowledge, already they have knowledge. Many of the knowledge that we may give, maybe some of them have got. But what really the problem is, which I faced in my life, although as a trainer, I'm a trainer for the last 30 years, there was a lot of time in my life when I was wondering that even if I'm a trainer, how I'm going to establish myself. I'm a trainer, but I'm not being able to establish myself and create that profession which is really why I deserve to get. So in my train the trainer program, our focus is that we tell them by being a trainer, not only become a trainer and develop all the skills that you need to get from the program, you get it, but how you can establish yourself. Today, the trainers need to become more agile and more visible to people if they have to establish themselves. I've taken care of that aspect in this training program. To become agile, they must be conversant with the social media and concepts of digital marketing. How they can really create their visibility in the market, people should know about it. That's one very unique feature of this particular program. The next thing is that we are giving the training or the knowledge to the people which is ahead of time. In the sense, there are many faculty, experienced faculties. They have accumulated experience of many years, which probably, if I when I was a trainer, I needed many years to gather certain experiences. But those experiences will be given to them in one go. So they will have a learning ahead of time. And I hope this will really going to make a difference in their life. Another very important thing is we will create an attitude of exploration. We are not going to give only knowledge. In every situation, in every program, in every deliberation or in every session, we will try to involve them and create an attitude that they should explore new things as a trainer. Training is a field which needs to be explored even more now. With the change in the society, the trainers have a lot of responsibility towards the people, developing people, and towards that development, they have more imagination, more exploration, more creative thinking. So we'll make them think, make them explore things. Another very important thing is that we are going to make a balanced approach in this program. The balance in the sense will help them to get themselves established as a professional. We'll create their agility, we'll create their visibility, we'll make them create their attitude for exploration, but not only that, we will make them think about themselves. If you want to become a good trainer, you need to have a good physical body, a mental body, and a spiritual body. A strong mind creates strong thinking. If you are physically weak or you're mentally weak, you cannot expose those inspirations or celebrations to the people. Because you are not only transferring the knowledge, you're transferring certain energy, certain emotions within the people, so that they can start thinking, they get stimulated. So we have included those sessions where they can really develop their mind, body, and soul. In this way, this program, I hope, will become a very unique program, and to that end, we are striving to do even much better, whatever is possible for us.
This is very unique feature of this program. Okay, sir, are we going to give them some kind of micro teaching session to check and to have that feeling that how they are going to deliver the session and the feedback from you?
Of course, that is also another feature you have reminded me of. Yes, we are doing we'll be doing video sessions where the participants will present their.
Correct. That is going to help them in understanding.
That will be very important. Every participant will have that. Will go through that presentation. We'll see that. Everyone will see that. We'll discuss with each other. We'll give them feedback so they can develop themselves.
Okay.
Right?
And
also one more thing. Don't forget. We will create. This program is also unique in the way we are not going to finish our relationship with the students right here in this classroom. We'll continue with it. We'll keep that relationship ahead in future also they have got any problem, they want to discuss something about it to establish themselves, we are always prepared and ready to talk to them.
Okay. And are we going to give them some kind of tool to understand the digital marketing so that they can promote themselves online?
Yes, of course.
Social media marketing.
Yes, we will give them the knowledge of digital marketing.
Yes.
How they are going to use the social media very well.
Right.
And what are the tools that is required in digital marketing. That input will be given here.
Okay. That was a great. And sir, please let us know about your journey so far, from being a trainer to the banker to the trainer to an author and then a teacher trainer. What has your journey been so far?
That's a very personal question, but at the same time, yeah, it all happened. I didn't do it deliberately. It all happened in my life. And I think I told you in the beginning that I was a banker, and my organization, the National Bank, had a big role to play in my life in changing the destiny of my life. And so I became a trainer. Now I told you, I became a trainer. The training became so passionate that I had to ultimately leave the organization and start my own training consultancy. Now, over a period of time, as you become a trainer, you stimulate yourself and start thinking, and then you generate your own ideas. As a trainer, you're passionate to talk to people and share and get joy. But over a period of time, that ideas generated in the human mind is so big that at a certain point of time, I was really thinking, how do I share all my ideas to the people, which I was eagerly waiting to. The only way out for that is to become an author. So I started writing the book, and then I shared all my ideas and accumulated ideas pregnant within me. I was happy to do that. And now there's a very beautiful experience of life that you share with people all your ideas. With others, the accumulated ideas will remain within the human mind, and the person will pass away from this world. Nobody will continue about it. That was a great experience, satisfying experience that I could have shared those things with the people. And yes, you asked me another question: how do you become an author? How do you become a trainer's teacher?
Right.
Well, 30 years of training, I've learned everything from this society, from my organization, from my society, and whatever I've learned, I have got an obligation to the society. So I always wanted to pay back to people. My 30 years of experience going west without paying it back to the society is an offense. So I decided whatever I have learned in my life as a trainer, why not share those things with people? By sharing those, I will lead another lab who will go ahead, the young generation will go ahead, and they will become a trainer, and this way the civilization will continue. This will be my contribution to the society. So to be very, very clear that I become a teacher trainer to pay back to my society, so that I can really create more trainers in the society who will, in turn, develop, contribute to the development of the society. That's how it is.
Thank you so much. With this these notes, we have come to the conclusion of the conversation and end of this conversation. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
We are looking forward to a great session on this Train the Trainer program that is called Ekalavya on the September 7, 8 and 9 in Delhi NCR. Thank you so much for watching this.